Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustin07, coming at you once again through the power of OBS Recording Studios, and as an American, I'm going to be showing you how to make the full English breakfast. Start by placing some bacon in the pan and cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, or until it is crispy enough for you. Then, in another pan, start the egg by putting some butter in the pan and melting it. For this recipe, we're going to be frying the egg sunny side up, so crack the egg into the pan and cook for about 2 minutes, and periodically shake the pan to make sure it doesn't stick. Once done, remove from heat. Next, slice the tomato by cutting the top off and then cutting the remaining bit into 2 thick slices, and cook for about 2 minutes. Once done, remove from heat. Then, in the same pan, start by heating the sausage patty and the baked beans. As an American, I'm using a sausage patty rather than a tube sausage, because that's what we do here in America. Cook for a few minutes or until evenly heated up. Then, once it's done heating up, remove it from the heat. Now it's time to assemble the breakfast. Start by putting the tomatoes down, then the egg, followed by some bacon, and then the sausage and the baked beans. But more importantly, how does it taste? That's very good. Thumbs up.